Hello friends, in this video we will see types of hybridization. There are 6 types of hybridization: sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and sp3d3. We also see their geometry, example, structure and bond angle. But before that, you must know this hybridization occurs in central metal atom of any compound. For example, beryllium in beryllium chloride, boron in boron trifluoride, carbon in methane, that is CH4, phosphorus in phosphorus pentachloride, likewise. Okay, first sp hybridization. These sp hybrid orbitals are formed by mixing and recasting of 1s and 1p orbitals of the same atom. Their geometry is linear or planar or diagonal. Because this is a line or any one plane, or it has two sides, okay, therefore it is diagonal. Examples are beryllium chloride, C2H2, ethine, and bond angle is 180 degree. Second, sp2 hybridization. These hybrid orbitals are formed by mixing and recasting of 1s and 2p orbitals of the same atom. Their geometry is trigonal planar. Examples: BF3, boron trifluoride, BCl3, C2H4. Structure of BF3 is like this. Boron is in center and fluorine are on the three sides of the three corners of the triangle. Okay, here sp2 hybridization occurs in boron. You must know this. And bond angle is 120 degree. Trigonal planar, the reason is this is triangle and this structure is in only one plane. Therefore, it is trigonal planar. Third, sp3 hybridization. This is obtained by mixing and recasting of 1s and 3p orbitals of the same atom to form sp3 hybrid orbitals of same energy and same space orientation, same shape. Their geometry is tetrahedral. Examples: CH4, methane, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, SiCl4. Structure is carbon is in center and 4 hydrogen are on the 4 corners of the rectangle. Bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. Tetrahedral, the reason is it has 4 corners. Okay, tetra means for 4. sp3d, it is formed by mixing and recasting of 1s, 3p and 1d orbitals of the same atom. Their geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. Example: PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. Structure of phosphorus pentachloride is like this. phosphorus is in center and 3 chlorine atoms are on the corners of the triangle and 2 chlorine are on the lateral side. Okay, bond angle is 120 in these two and 120 in these three. Okay, the reason is why trigonal bipyramidal is this is trigonal, this is triangle, and this have two plane. This chlorine is above the plane or this chlorine is below the plane. It has two planes, so trigonal bipyramidal. Fifth, sp3d2. It is formed by mixing and recasting of 1s, 3p and 2d orbitals of the same atom. Their geometry is octahedral. Example SF6, and structure is like this. Sulfur is in center and 4 fluorine atoms are on the corners of the rectangle and 2 fluorines. 1 fluorine is above the plane and 1 fluorine is below the plane. These bonds are formed by lateral overlap and these 4 are formed by axial overlap. And bond angle is 180 in these between these two and 190 in between these 4. Six, sp3d3. It is formed by mixing and recasting of 1s, 3p and 3d orbitals of the same atom. Their geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. Example IF7, iodine heptafluoride. Structure of iodine heptafluoride is like this. Iodine is in center and 5 fluorine are in pentagonal structure and 1 fluorine is above the plane and 1 fluorine is below the plane. Bond angle is 120 and 72 The reason why this is pentagonal, cause this is pentagon, therefore pentagonal, and 2 fluorines, one is above the plane and one is below the plane. This structure is in two planes, therefore bipyramidal. It is so easy to remember. First is planar, it is only in one plane, or it is linear, it is a line. Second is trigonal planar, it is triangle and it is only in one plane, therefore trigonal planar. Third is tetrahedral, 4 corners. Tetra means 4, tetrahedral. Fourth is trigonal bipyramidal. It is same as like this, but it have one chlorine on above the plane and one chlorine on below the plane, and therefore it is in two planes. Therefore trigonal for this and bipyramidal. Fifth, octahedral. This is like third rectangle and one fluorine is above the plane and one fluorine is below the plane. And last one is pentagonal and bipyramidal, cause these two fluorines are one is above the plane and one is below the plane. Okay, thank you.